Good morning, guys. Yes, I'm out in my vehicle. My son is still sleeping, but I wanted to get this lesson knocked out quick for you. Last week we covered mean absolute deviation, and what that does is analyzes the way that a list of data um, compares to its average. So it's analyzing the spread of data. Uh, there's another way to analyze how data is spread out or variation in data, and that's called interquartile range. So I wanted to give you a quick lesson on that, and it's actually a review for us. We have done this before. So interquartile range, as you can see, I've listed my data in order from least to greatest: 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, 20, 35, and 60. And the first step to do this is to find the median. Hopefully this is not flipped this time. To find the median, we are going to find the center. And I kind of count one off, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now notice the median is actually between the 9 and the 12. Okay, and this is what we've talked about. I'm going to add these two together, and that's going to make a sum of 21. And then I'm going to divide by 2, and that's going to tell me the center of those two. And that would be 10.5. So the first step, find the median, is 10.5. Okay, second step. It says Q1. What I want to do is find the first quarter of the data. Well, I found the median. So this is the bottom half of my data, and this would be the upper half of my data. Now I want to find the first quarter. So that's going to be the middle of the bottom half. 1 off, 2 off, 2 off. That's between 4 and 5. So my first quarter of my data is 4.5, 4.5. And my upper half of my data, I want to find the third quarter, the Q3. So I'm going to find the middle of the upper half. And I can just see it's going to be between 20 and 35. 1 off, 1 off, 2 off, 2 off, between 20 and 35. I can add those two up and divide by 2. And that's going to be 27.5. Okay, and the last step, I want to find the interquartile range. That's the range between the quarters, inside of the quarters. So I'm simply going to find the range between 27.5 and 4.5. And the way to do that, to find the range, is I'm going to subtract them. And my IQR, or my interquartile range, is 23. All right? So I want you to kind of study this, make sure you understand it, and tomorrow we're going to have an assignment on this exact thing. So comment below if you have any questions. You can also do a little bit of research on your own. But I think you guys are going to be able to nail this. All right? Thanks, and we'll see you later.